Namaste, everybody, and welcome back to Enlightening Elixirs. And this is a very special episode because today I'm going to be showing you how to make a mocktail for date night. So what that starts off with is some lion's mane. I have 3 droppers full right here. We're going to put it right in there. Lion's mane is going to help you to have your brain turned on. Great conversation all night long. Next is going to be Blue Spirulina that we're going to put in here, which has a ton of vitamins and minerals, but also is a huge serotonin boost, which is just going to keep the vibe and the mood elevated all night long. Next is coconut water, hydrating, and just about a ½ ounce to an ounce of lime juice, depending on taste. So after that, we're just going to go ahead and get our shaker cup all set. Ooh, yeah, that's looking beautiful. All right, you guys aren't going to believe this color. Ready? Boom. So we call this prism water because on different angles, you're actually going to catch blues, purples, and even little subtle hints of green. All right, so to garnish it, we're just going to take a little lime twist. Boom, boom, and cheers. You've got an epic date night. Ooh, yeah, that's good.